What's up, everybody? I am back with another video, and in this video I will be reviewing the May, it's May, right? I'll be reviewing the May Curlbox, which features different Aunt Jackie's products. This one is more like a mashup box. There's no one particular line in here. It has different products from different parts of their lines. You know, they have a coconut line, they have a flaxseed line, they have a different, they have different lines. Grapeseed, they have different lines. So the box it comes with a scarf. So this is a scarf. It has a coconut or cocoa co-wash, coconut cream from the coconut. I can't even get it out already. It's too early for this. Okay, so from the coconut cream line, they have a cocoa wash coconut milk conditioning cleanser. They have from the flaxseed recipes, they have the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. They have the Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, which I believe you can just use across the board. It doesn't belong to a particular recipe. They have from the coconut cream line, the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. And they also have from the grapeseed line, the Slick Flexible Styling Glue. I actually already have this. I went out and bought this when they sent out the grapeseed specialty box. I went and bought this because I wanted to try this. So I actually have two. Here's the beauty supply one. Here's the one that came in the box. So I'm going to be using mine because I'm not going to open up another one right now. And then here's the little cards and stuff. So there's the Curlbox card. Boop, boop, boop. And then it has the Aunt Jackie's insert with all of their products in it. All of them. I've been debating back and forth if I'm going to incorporate any of my Aunt Jackie's products in order to have a full wash day, style day. But I'm going to try to just use what's in the box. So I'm thinking of different styles in my head that I can do where I can just use what's in the box. So you can see that it can be a complete wash day without adding anything else. A complete line of products to do your wash day from beginning to end. So if you want to see my review on these products and what I end up with, just keep on watching. So I'm starting out with the coconut cream cocoa wash conditioning cleansing whatever that is. Try to say that 3 times fast. I cannot do it. But anyway, it lathers immediately, like right off the bat. It lathers. When it first contacts my hair, it doesn't start sticking together like it's going to be stripped, but spoiler alert, it's gonna be streaky, girl. It's gonna be stripped, gonna be streaky. But it's whatever. it said thoroughly cleanses on the bottle, so that's what I'm gonna give it. Thoroughly cleanses. It looks on camera like it's a thick shampoo, like it'll be like a moisturizing shampoo, but that's an illusion. It's an illusion. It's just a foamy, thick shampoo, and it cleansed my hair. It stripped my hair. It's given stripped. It's given streaky, okay? It's giving all of that, but it did clean my hair. It did clean my hair. So right here, you see me kind of reading the container for the Fix My Hair. Basically, it's a protein treatment. It's what it is. Okay, it's a deep conditioner, but it has like 2 or 3 proteins in it. It's a hydrolyzed protein, hydrolyzed keratin. Anytime you see that repair on the bottle, it's a protein treatment. Okay, so I was really trying to debate back and forth if I even wanted to do it because I didn't feel like my hair needed it. But I knew I needed to deep condition after that shampoo. So I just went on ahead and did it. I was nervous because I didn't want my hair to start snap, crackling, and popping, but it turned out okay. What this basically is to me, in my eyes, This is the Queen Helene cholesterol conditioner. If you blindfolded me and put this in front of me and I had to touch it, smell it, apply it to my hair, and I could only see the color, I couldn't see the name of the bottle or anything, and I had to guess what it was, I would tell you that it was the Queen Helene cholesterol conditioner. And my hair felt good afterwards. I thought it was gonna feel bad, thought it was gonna be brittle, I thought it was gonna be hard, but no, my hair felt good afterwards. It actually felt soft, it felt moisturized. I needed everything that it was giving after that shampoo. So I would say that this is a good deep conditioner to follow up with after that cocoa wash shampoo. So here's where things kind of start to change. This is the Quench leave-in conditioner, and it is watery, girl. Watery. This is one step above a liquid leave-in, and y'all know I don't too much dibble and dabble in liquid leave-ins. I don't gravitate towards liquid leave-ins. I don't go for liquid leave-ins. I don't like liquid leave-ins. If it's in the line, I use it, but I don't. If someone was to ask me what my favorite leave-in is, it's never gonna be a liquid. It's never gonna be that. You hear me? Okay, so this is one step above it. I mean, if you was to take the most basic thickener there was and put it in a liquid and make it a cream, then that's what this was. Okay, watery. And so then I followed it up with the buttercream, and the buttercream is kind of misleading because it says intensive moisture sealant, and it's not to me it's not a sealant like that. People are confusing butters with buttercreams to me. Like, they're putting the word buttercream on containers and making it a sealant, and that's not what they are. Like, buttercreams are not sealants. It's a cream. It's not a sealant. If it was just a butter, okay, but buttercream is not that. You know what I'm saying? It's just not that. So, I'm thinking I apply the liquid leave-in and then I put the buttercream on top to kind of seal it in. No. It's not what happened. This was a whole different experience. And honestly, truly, I could have done without the leave-in altogether. Like, again, I don't fool with liquid leave-ins, and that's basically what this was. And this is me detangling, and you'll see that I'm having kind of a hard time. And I don't normally have this hard of a time. Okay, I actually prefer the buttercream by itself. By itself, it felt better going on my hair by itself. You'll see throughout the rest of the clips as I'm styling, and I'm just putting the buttercream on at this point instead of doing anything else with the leave-in. Like, the buttercream by itself, it smooths onto the hair. Your hair feels moisturized. I actually just prefer the buttercream by itself, and you'll see later on. So here I am going in with the slicked glue. It's really thick. I mean, I would definitely consider it a glue. It's definitely not gel. You're not gonna get a wash and go with this. You're not gonna get a twist out. You're not gonna get a rod set. It is definitely for molding your edges, laying your edges, molding your hair up, molding it down, molding. Like, this is a molding product. It's thick. It is goopy. You have to pretty much work kind of fast, because if you're not, it's gonna dry down. It's gonna dry down pretty hard. I didn't put it throughout my hair, so that's why I'm able to detangle, but I put it at my edges. It dries down pretty firm, pretty quickly. I don't have any flaking. You don't need to use like strips or paper or anything like that to lay this down. So right here I'm going in with the Ice Curls Jelly from the Grapeseed line. I know at the beginning I said that I was going to try to stay within the box, but what you didn't see is me fail a couple of times trying to stay in the box, so I had to go outside the box. So yeah, I just went on ahead and did a Mohawk wash and go with Bantu knots on the side. It is here that I realized that I don't particularly care for the leave-in, and I was just strictly using the buttercream up under the gel because my hair was dry. Like again, it was liquid. The leave-in is liquid basically, so it was just drying out, and I just was using the buttercream to keep my hair moisturized. So that's basically all that happened. That's what this is. My hair is moisturized with the buttercream and the gel, and so these are my finished results. I'm just spraying some oil on my hair here to give it some shine, and that's it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Share, comment, subscribe especially. Let me know your thoughts on any of these products if you use them, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.